circle the smaller one from this too. Okay, very good. Circle the smaller one from these two onions. Okay, you are going so good. Today you're gonna get the star. Oh, we are going to fill the colors. Would you like to?
Yes.
Okay, take the colors.
Yes.
Here. Now, one will be green. From all the one you need to fill the green color. Take the green color in your hand. Okay. One is green.
The one color.
Okay, very good. Make sure it doesn't go out, please. Where is another one? Where is another one?
So.
Here.
Yeah.
Let's feel the color. Make sure it doesn't go out. See? See, Mama has filled the color so nicely, no? Now it's your turn to find the one. Where is another one? Okay. Make sure it doesn't go out. That's okay. Okay. Where is another one? Alright, feel over there. One अच्छे. Slowly, please, slowly. Okay. Now it's 2. What is the color of 2? Which color is that? Blue. Okay, take the blue. Alright, find the 2 and color the blue. Okay. Good. You are doing so good. Color to the sky blue. Let's quick. You're gonna get the star today. બહાર કાઢીને ગંદુ કરીને તો સ્ટાર ટોકન ન મળે, ખાલી કોન્સિક્વન્સ જ મળે. કેટલું ફાઇન કર્યું છે. ઓકે, તો તને શું મળશે? ઓકે, not over the please 2. Can I help you?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. You tell me which color should I fill, okay?
Yeah, color.
See, 3 is pink and 2 is blue. Where should I color the blue? Show me. Where should I color the blue? Where should I color the blue?
2.
All right. No jalebi. Okay. See, I am coloring so nicely. Oh no, I'll get the consequence. Great, go. Okay, give me pink. No, give me pink. I'll color here. To circle, which is different. These are two same. This is different. So we need to circle this. જે સેમ હોય ને એમાં circle? No. Different માં you need to circle. Do you get the idea? What is odd one out? So, which are two same? Okay, that is different. Very good. For flower and flower is the same and bee is different. So, we need to circle the bee. Such a cute bee Mama has drawn. See? Wow. Dish. Okay, very good. Strawberry and strawberry is same. You need to circle grapes. Very good. That's like my good girl. See, there are 3. No, these are same. Please do not. Which ice cream? Okay, then circle the different ice cream. No. 1, 2, 3, go. Very nice. You're gonna get the star. These 2 are same. We will not circle. No, beta. હું તને પાછળ circle કરાવું છું. Wow, again we are going to join it. Join our circles, okay. Circle. What are you circling around? A, okay. Which A is that? This is, okay, small. That is capital and that is, you are circling around the small one. Do you like circles?
Yes. Stop.
One more. I've got one more A into this. Okay. You like circles, so you did a small circle. A small circle. Okay. Would you like to join this now?
No.
How many fish are there in this box?
One.
Okay, join it with one.
1, 2.
Join this fish with one.
Amma.
Need to find the shadow. Or the same one, we can say. Mama didn't make the shadow. Okay. Very sun. Very good. Let's join it. 1, 2, 3, go. This is
Moon. The moon doesn't.
moon shadow સાથે આવે. Alright, and star with star. You say where is another star? Okay, very good. See, this mommy fish wants to go to the baby. Will you help?
Yes.
Slowly, okay? No, not like that. This is the way. This is the way. એની બહાર નીકળીને નહીં જવાનું. This is the way, okay? Yes, that is the way. You need to go inside it like this. Like that. See. Will you please listen to me? This is a lake. What is this? This is a lake. If fish comes out of the lake, fish die. મરી જાય. શું થઈ જાય? અહીં લેકમાં જ ચાલી શકે. અહીંયા લેકમાં જ ચાલી શકે. એ લેકની અંદર જ ચાલી શકે. Oh my god, this is so weird. No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
See, this is so dirty. I'll make it for you. Wow, like this. So easy.
No, keep it.
Thank you for completing. Give me your hand. I want to kiss them. Mwah.